Rashi ma'am? Rashi ma'am? Rashi
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
shall we start with the session?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Oh, okay. So, good afternoon, one and all present here. I, Kajal Mittal, welcome all the faculty and staff member on the last day of 1 week e-workshop on Google Tools for online teaching. Today we have Ms. Rashi Agrawal as the resource person for the session, and she will be delivering a lecture on basic Chrome extension. I would now request Dr. Sushila Gupta for the welcome address. So over to you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Kaju. Good afternoon, one and all. I, Sushila Gupta, welcome you, the Director Sir, Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta, and my fellow colleagues. Today, we have Rashi Agarwal as the resource person of the session, and she will be delivering lecture on the basic Chrome extensions, which will be helpful in conducting the classes, online classes smoothly. And these extensions will be helpful to one and all of you in taking classes. And now I over to Rashid.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon, one and all. I hope you are clear with Google Meet, which we discussed yesterday, and Jamboard session. If there is any single doubt, please let me know. Because today it will be a very small session. I won't take much time today. Okay. Shall I start with extensions then? I'm going to start with first thing which we are where we are comparing Zoom with Google Meet. The first problem is in Zoom we are having mute all option. However, when it is Google Meet, we have to mute every participant one by one. So we have an extension for that. You will have to go. Let me share the screen first. Am I able to share my screen now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you have to go to these 9 dots at the right hand side of this Chrome. Click here, more tools, and click on extensions after that. You all can start with this. These are some
आपकी स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है, आपकी स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है.
This screen is not visible to anyone.
Screen is visible, ma'am. Probably we need to pin you. I have pinned you
Sir,
already.
please click on the present wali screen.
Yes.
Pin that screen where I'm presenting. 2 names will be appearing. Rashi Agarwal presenting screen. Please click on that. Bharat sir, is it visible now?
ये किधर है ये 9 dots?
Ma'am, go to people. Right hand side. Click on people. 63 आ रहा होगा जहाँ पर.
राशि, ये तो हमारा तुम्हारा वो खुला हुआ है ना, राशि अग्रवाल इज प्रेजेंटिंग.
जैसे आरुषि अग्रवाल. यस मैम. संगीता मैम.
हाँ.
राशि अग्रवाल, योर प्रेजेंटेशन आ रहा होगा कहीं पे. इज इट विजिबल?
ऊपर ही आ रहा है, तुम्हारा स्क्रीन ही दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है? इज इट आ गया मैम?
नहीं, मेरा तो नहीं आया वो.
You are able to view that Rashi Agarwal, your presentation is there in the people tab. Ma'am, is it? And ma'am, you have to pin it. Like, click on name, and there are 3 options: pin, remove, and mute. So you have to click on the very first option. एक pin बनी भी आ रही होगी.
Yes, ma'am, आ रही है.
Okay, ma'am, click on that pin option now.
राशि मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर हम आपको पिन कर देंगे ना, तो हम ये आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं देख पाएंगे. अनपिन करना पड़ेगा, तब ये आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन विजिबल होगी.
वरुणा मैम, आई हैव पिन दी राशि मैम, तो मैं तो देख पा रही हूँ उनकी स्क्रीन.
मैम, unless and until you won't pin my presentation screen, you won't be able to see my screen.
हाँ वही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था कि पहले मैंने राशि मैम वाले को पिन किया हुआ था, खाली सिंपल वाले को। जब मैंने
Yes,
इस वाले को पिन किया तो मुझे
difference है। अगर राशि मैम का जहाँ पे नाम है उसको पिन करेंगे तो वो स्क्रीन देखेंगे, अगर हम प्रेजेंटेशन पिन करेंगे तो हम प्रेजेंटेशन देखेंगे।
Yes, ma'am.
If we don't pin anything at all, तो हम सब कुछ we are able to view everything, प्रेजेंटेशन भी आ रही है और साथ में नाम भी आ रहा है।
Yes, ma'am. But the screen will be
Rashi?
very small there.
राशि ये क्लासरूम में जाकर करना है क्या?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. आपके सामने संगीता मैम जस्ट वेट। अच्छा, आपके सामने स्क्रीन आ रही है Gmeet की नॉर्मल?
ये तुम्हारी प्रेजेंटेशन वाली स्क्रीन आ रही है।
हाँ मैम, प्रेजेंटेशन वाली ही इसकी देखो, अभी एक क्लासरूम ओपन होके मैंने किया है। आर यू एबल टू सी दैट?
हाँ ये तो मैंने देख लिया। तो
Right.
ये कहाँ से खुलेगा ये?
Ma'am, you don't have to open it. You don't have to
Okay.
open anything. I will tell you what to open.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Like, take an example. I'm doing all these things from the next tab. Take an example, this. Okay, you can click anywhere. I'm opening a new tab here, rather. And click on these 3 dots here at the right-hand side of your screen. I have placed my cursor there. Click here. Click on More Tools. And after that, Extensions. This is the transition which you have to follow here. Are you all able to find this extension link?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
राशि एक
Ma'am,
बार
I
फिर
am
से
unable
रिपीट
to
करना
see.
जरा।
Ma'am, एक बार please repeat.
Ma'am, sure. Click a new tab, and after that, these 3 dots.
Ma'am,
on the right.
where we have to click a new tab? Sorry.
Ma'am, Charu ma'am. आप कोई भी स्क्रीन ओपन करोगे ना क्रोम की, these 3 dots are visible on every screen at the right hand side. Customize and control Google Chrome.
हाँ राशि मेरा खुल गया।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
राशि मैम प्लीज एक मिनट बिल्कुल बिगनिंग से बता दीजिएगा प्लीज।
Sure, ma'am.
मैं कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही थी, अभी कनेक्ट हुआ है।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मैम। We will start
From
again.
beginning. Yeah, please
We
do.
are going to use some extensions today. For that, what you have to do is click on any window of your Chrome, and in any window you can see these 3 dots at the top right corner of your window. Can you all see these 3 dots wherein customize and control Google Chrome option is visible to everyone? I hope.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I will click on these 9 dots, and after that, I will click on More Tools.
Fine.
Some of the features which are not given by G Suite to our Gmail accounts, we can use those tools via these extensions. So I'm clicking on extensions now. More Tools and extensions. Are you able to click this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the moment I have clicked on extensions, I will click on these 3 dots on the left hand corner of my screen. Extensions se pehle there are 3 dots. You have to click on these 3 dots, and at the end there is an option Open Chrome Web Store.
एक मिनट राशि इसको फिर से एक्सप्लेन करो, कौन सा 3 डॉट? वही राइट साइड में जो 3 डॉट्स हैं।
Screen is visible to you, Sangeeta ma'am?
हाँ ये तुम्हारा विजिबल है। अब
Okay.
वो कौन सा 3 डॉट है?
See my cursor, ma'am. These 3 lines.
Ma'am, I am unable to see your screen.
Sorry, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, I am not able to see your screen.
Who is not able to see my screen?
Ma'am, I, Purnima.
Purnima ma'am, on the people tab on the right hand side of your screen, there are 2 options, Rashi Agarwal and Rashi Agarwal presentation.
Rashi Agarwal presentation. Okay, now I can see. Yes.
You have to pin my presentation screen now.
Yeah.
Just click. Okay ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much.
No problem. Now, in the extension tab, Purnima ma'am, shall I start again for you? Because you were not able to see what I have done so far. Anyways, chalo. Let's start. We will click on these 3 dots here, and I will click on this Open Google Chrome Web Store. Click, and Web Store will be in front of you. I hope this screen is visible to all.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
All right. So first extension that we will be using is mute all. Just type mute all in this blank screen on the left.
मैम थोड़ा सा एक बार उसे फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दो.
Ma'am, what I have done here is I will click on these three dots at the right hand side of my Chrome window, more tools and extensions.
हाँ ये हो गया है.
ठीक है, हो गया. ओके मैम. फिर जब आपकी एक्सटेंशन वाली स्क्रीन आएगी, दिस एक्सटेंशन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन ओपन वेब स्टोर.
ये किधर है?
मैम लेफ्ट बॉटम हियर.
अच्छा ओके, एक मिनट. ओपन नीचे में होगा.
On the left hand side of your window, ma'am, the movement extensions tab will be visible to you.
इधर तो मेरे उसमें तो नहीं दिख रहा एक्सटेंशन. ओपन क्रोम वेब स्टोर तो नहीं दिख रहा मेरे उसमें.
Extension से पहले there are 3 lines prior to extensions. Okay, click on these 3 lines.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है. ओपन क्रोम वेब स्टोर.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
इसको क्लिक करना है.
Yes ma'am, you have to click this.
ओके ये हो गया.
Yes, this window will be visible to you.
हाँ.
ठीक है. So on here now at this screen prior to home we have to use our first extension. I'm going to download first extension, that is mute all. If I want to mute all the participants at once, in that case I will be using this feature. This is not given by Gmeet. However, we can use this extension at our Gmeet. Mute all, and please click on this mute all on me offered by Rezono. This red one having white mic over it. You all have to just click add to Chrome because I have already downloaded it. That's why it is saying rated. For all of you, you all have to use add to Chrome.
राशिम टर्न ऑन सिंक करना है इसका ऑन.
Sorry sir. No,
Yes,
no,
sync
no,
के लिए
sir, no, not no. आप इसको just close कर दीजिए, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा.
ओके.
Okay. So
Okay.
the moment you will add to Chrome, it will be added on your extensions tab. Extension tab is here. The moment I will click on extensions, all the extensions which I have downloaded so far will be visible to me. And if in case while having Gmeet, I want to use any extension, I can use that extension now by pinning it up. By default, the moment you have added this extension to your Chrome, it will be there on your above people tab. Some zigzag portion will be there. Are you all able to see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you can mute all. Just like your Zoom functionality, you can have this functionality here. Please don't tell these things to students, otherwise they can also mute all participants here.
अच्छा, it is there.
Yes,
उनको
ma'am.
पहले से ही पता होगा राशि मैम.
हाँ, they might be knowing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But in coming months, maybe Google will come with its own mute all functionality. Maybe in 10 or 15 days, it will come.
मैम हम लोग के उसमें तो म्यूट ऑल वाला वो है ही नहीं. मतलब जो
In Gmeet, it will be there.
हाँ
वो तो extension से लिया है ना.
Extension लिया ना मैम अब आपने.
हाँ, extension से लिया.
एक्सटेंशन लिया तो है लेकिन उसमें तो दिखा तो नहीं रहा है. वो म्यूट ऑल
मैम अभी नहीं आएगा. When you will restart your Gmeet, it will be there.
ओके.
अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो it will surely be there. Don't worry.
ओके.
Okay. Shilpa ma'am, I'm doing it again for you. What we have to do is you have to click on 9 dots here, more tools and extensions. The moment you will click on extensions, this screen will be visible to you. At the left hand corner, we have 3 lines over here. open Chrome Web Store. At the end, I have to click here. And after
There are
that,
3 lines, ma'am.
ma'am, wait a minute.
There are 3 lines.
Ma'am, these 3 lines.
Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Got
We
it,
will
got
click here and open Chrome Web Store. After I will click on this particular tab, it will show this kind of screen to me now. After that, I have to type mute all here. And these extensions will be visible to you. You have to use this extension for your Gmeet. Mute all. Because in SafeDoc, what you have to do, no particular icon will be there. You will have to type /mute all. So obviously it will be tough for you to type this. So rather I'm using mute all on Meet extension here, because it will be like you are just pressing an icon and mute all feature will be activated there. I hope all is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So next extension is like when you all are viewing the screen, if I'm not pinning anyone, how many people can you actually see at one instance?
राशि मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
राशि मैम, इसमें म्यूट ऑल करेंगे कैसे इसमें?
Sir, आप mute all के लिए there is an icon on the right hand side of Gmeet. When you will open Gmeet again, it will be there on the right hand side. And you can just press it and all the students will be muted. Okay. Yes, Rachna ma'am.
राशि मैम,
actually I have the same question because I had added the extension, but it is not visible in my bar as in your.
Ma'am, it is not visible because it will take some time. I mean, when you will reopen your Gmeet, some extensions will be visible to you. Some extensions you can see yourself at this point only.
Because
but
there
don't
is
worry. Sorry,
because
ma'am.
there was one option that you have to turn on sync. I have not used that. Is it okay?
Wait, ma'am, wait. Ma'am, even I have not turned on anything.
Okay. Done.
Ma'am, done. मंजू मैम, yes, बताइए.
हाँ राशि मैम, जैसे टॉप पर ये एक्सटेंशन का जो आइकन आया है ट्री की तरह से, इसको हम ओपन करके मुझे दिख रहा है कि वो म्यूट ऑल वाला ऑप्शन आ रहा है, तो जस्ट वी हैव टू क्लिक इट ऑन
Yes, ma'am.
while taking the class.
Yes, ma'am. Mute all and all will be muted. Though they can unmute themselves again.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
राशि मैम, ये जो नीचे 3 डॉट्स हैं राइट हैंड साइड पे, जहाँ पर रिकॉर्डिंग का ऑप्शन आता है, वहाँ पे आ रहा है स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग. मतलब मैं रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप भी कर सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir. अभी आप कर सकते हैं because I have given you the right of a faculty only. अगर स्टूडेंट होंगे, I will take that right. वो G-Suite का right मैंने अभी आपको दिया हुआ है ना. आपके जो ग्रुप बना हुआ है, that is under faculty group. इसीलिए you can stop the recording.
Okay.
If anyone who is not logged in through Sangeeta ma'am is not logged in through Gmail, official ID. All those who are not logged in through official ID, just check if you can stop recording here. Anyone who is not logged